There is always that moment right after a great cookout where everyone's enjoying the food and you're staring at the grill thinking, I'll deal with that later. But later usually means scrubbing stubborn grease with way more effort than it should take. So this time, instead of putting it off, I grabbed something that's supposed to handle the mess for me, the Grillion Electric Grill Brush. This is a bit pricey compared to other electric grill cleaners, but this actually works pretty well and gives a great bang for your buck. Before showing you what's inside this box and getting into the details, let me show you why I like this so much. So, this is the main Grillion unit. Seems simple, but has quite a lot of handy features. Here's my dirty grill, which I haven't cleaned after the last cookout. Alright, so it comes with two interchangeable brush heads. I am using the chain brush first. Spraying some cleaning liquid to soften these burnt bits. This built-in soap dispenser really makes cleaning so much easier. Now switching to the wire brush to clean edges and tighter corners. After a short session, the difference is pretty clear. It's not just cleaner, it looks like something I'd actually want to cook on again without hesitation. Battery performance is solid too. Even after long cleaning sessions, it holds up well without constantly needing to recharge. Alright, so now that you've seen what it can do, let's talk about all the features in detail. So, this is the box it comes in. Hard plastic used here, and this also acts as a carrying case. Let's open it. Inside is the main Grillion unit, which has a removable stainless steel guard that keeps grease from getting onto your clothes while cleaning. It also has a rechargeable battery inside, and this here is the charging port. These are the two interchangeable brush heads, a chain brush and a wire brush. Another nice thing is that you can buy replacement brush heads separately. So instead of replacing the entire unit over time, you can just swap out the worn brushes and keep using the same device. And you also get a Type-C charging cable and this user manual. One feature that really stands out is this included soap dispenser. Instead of pausing mid-clean to grab a separate spray, you can fill it with your preferred cleaning solution and apply directly as you go. I use a simple mix of dishwashing liquid and water, but any safe cleaning solution should work. It attaches with a quick twist lock mechanism, and with a press of a button, sprays exactly where you need it. On the handle, there's a built-in display that shows battery level and cleaning modes, along with a control button to switch between modes easily. Installing the brush heads takes a bit of getting used to at first. You unlock the mechanism, switch the head, and lock it back in place. Just make sure the removable guard is properly aligned, or else you'll have a tough time securing it in place. Cleaning the brush heads afterward is pretty straightforward as well. You can rinse them under running water or toss them in the dishwasher. Just keep the main handle away from water and avoid using harsh cleaners on it. After spending some time with it, the biggest takeaway is how much effort it removes from the process. Yes, it's a bit more expensive than a standard brush, but it also does a lot more. It's one of those tools that actually changes how you approach a task, rather than just slightly improving it. So, if you use your grill often and want something that makes cleanup quicker and less of a hassle, this might be worth considering. That's been a closer look at the Grillion Electric Grill Brush. If you're interested, you'll find more details through the link in the description. And I'm curious, are you the kind of person who upgrades tools like this, or do you stick with the basics? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.